If you want to install SPD cleats onto road bike shoes, there's a better way than installing them as shown in this example. Or if you want to use your 3-bolt pattern shoes for spin class SPD pedals, there is a way to convert the shoes to a 2-bolt pattern. Most mountain bike cycling shoes have a standard 2-bolt pattern. Shimano SPD cleats or SPD compatible cleats are used with this type of bolt mounting system. The cleat is recessed by the treads on the bottom of the shoe, which provides some protection for the cleat and make walking a little safer than a 3-bolt pattern shoe. SPD cleats are compatible with SPD pedals. Shimano makes a SM-SH51 single-mode cleat. It releases from the pedal when you twist your foot sideways. The SM-SH56 multi-release cleat, it also releases when your foot twists sideways, and it releases if you lift your heel up and outward. Shimano single-mode cleats are black. The multi-mode ones are silver and have an M stamped on them. This shoe accepts 2-bolt or 3-bolt pattern cleats. If I mount them directly on the bottom of the shoe, I'll be walking on top of the cleat and possibly damaging it. I could damage soft floors, and it'll be kind of slick walking on that cleat. The solution is to use a cleat adapter. The underside of the adapter has 2 buttons. The buttons fit into these 2 holes. Two longer bolts hold the cleat in place. The cleat is now protected, and so are any soft floors, and walking will be a little safer. I typically ride around 50 rides and 1,700 miles a year. By protecting the cleats, they last around 10 years, the life of the shoe. Shimano's adapter is a SM-SH40. Both of these adapters are for 5-bolt pattern shoes. If walking on the shoes is minimal, another option is to skip the adapters and buy rubber covers for the cleats. There are a couple of options to convert 3-bolt pattern shoes to SPD cleats. Shimano SM-SH41 adapter is one option. It has 2 treads to protect the cleat. Welco's cleat is simpler to install, but it has no protection for the cleat. I hope you found this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.